everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking this video. In this episode I am showing you all how I made this puffy sleeve, cinch waist, cute summer top. If you want to know how I made them, watch this video till the end, and if you like watching my videos, then please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos, and if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get started.
First thing I'm doing here is by using this pattern, I'm cutting out the pieces for interfacing, main fabric and the lining. Now go ahead and iron the interfacing to the center front as well as on the side front of the body space. Once you are done with the interfacing, go ahead and sew the center front and the side front facing the right sides together along the center seam. As you can see, below the bust, my measurement is 20 inches long. And on the bust, it is showing 24 inches long. So let's do a little calculation here. According to my measurement, below the bust it's 32, then minus it by 20, and the bust it minus it by 24. Then we have the back bodice measurement, that is 12 inches long fabric, and of course half an inch will be for the seam allowance. You see my mistake here. Instead of 12 and half an inch, मैंने 19 inches का fabric लंबाई रखा था. Remember the mistake I did? 19 inches रख दिया था instead of 12 and half an inch, and this is how I have figured it out. Now sew the lining fabric to the main fabric facing the right sides together. Then sew the zipper between the lining and main fabric, sandwiching between them, and we are done with the zipper. For the sleeve, make a gathering and take a fabric that fits around your fist. Close stitch the ends and we're done with the project. Here is the final result. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you next time. Bye.